Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ophelia, and for today's video I'll be showing you how it is I did my Bantu knot outs using the anti-Jackie lala. So first of all, I'll be doing this on blown out hair. So I've already slightly blown it out. It's not fully blown, still a bit curly. And you see here I'm going ahead to do my side parts because I normally wear my hair on my right side. So I'll just go ahead firstly to separate my hair into two sections. I'll be doing the side that will be left on the right first. I actually like my hair blown out. I think I'm definitely going to try some other styles on my hair, on my dry hair. That is, because I normally do my natural hairstyles on wet hair. So I'll be using Anti-Jackie's Curl and Coils lala cream. It's a very moist cream. I've used it before for twist outs. So now I am going to go ahead to test it on a Bantu knot out. So I'll be applying the cream from my roots down to my tips because you need to keep the ends of your hair moisturized as well for any protective style that you're doing. So the first step in doing your Bantu knots, guys, is to do a 2-strand twist. So I started off with that and then I made a little bob and used the hair to wrap around for that bump. Ensure that you secure the ends of the hair so that it can stay moist and hold it in with the set. I did, however, come back to secure these with rubber bands. You also have the option of using hairpins. Funny enough, guys, I would have never expected myself to be sitting here doing Bantu knots in my hair. Like here in Jamaica, we call them chiny bump, and I remember the last time I got these done were in grade 6. And honestly, guys, for the entire day, I tried so hard to wear my hoodie to hide those Bantu knots, and then to know that currently it's a hit style that I was wearing for so long, or well, so long ago, and didn't embrace. Look at me now. So let's just fast forward a bit to the end of the Bantu knots. This is what it looks like after I'd completed the front and the back. And now we are at 2 days later, where I will be unraveling these Bantu knots. So here, guys, I just added some oil to my hand to go ahead to do the unraveling. I'll be splitting each in two and then further separating them. So guys, I tried to fluff my Bantu knots after unraveling, and well, this is the best I could do. It was very moist when I did the Bantu knots for sure, but I don't know if it's my texture of hair or what it is, but Aunt Jackie's curl lala is definitely not for my hair type. I might actually try a twist out with what's left in the bottle, because you realize in the jars I have at least a half a jar left, so I might actually try to revive this with a twist out, but this is what my Bantu knots are looking like right now. So my current review of Aunt Jackie's curl lala defining curl custard. This is my second time, my second jar in my 6 years of being natural, and it has disappointed me once again. If you have ever tried this in your hair, let me know what's your hair type. Maybe it's not a 4C, 4B, 4C kind of product. In terms of moisture, I could possibly look at it as a moisturizer. It definitely does that part because my hair is very moist. But in terms of the defined curls, 1 and 2 places, so that's why I think it might actually work for a twist out. There are a few places that my curls do look a little bit defined, but it's a no for me. So guys, that's the end of today's video. That's the end of my attempt at a Bantu knot with the lala, Aunt Jackie's lala. I will definitely try a Bantu knot again with a different product for sure. But yeah, it's a no for me for the Bantu knots. So guys, of course, you know, as naturalistas, we have our ups, we have our downs, and we have our maybes. Let me know in the comment section if this is a up, a down, or a maybe. So this is where I'll leave you for today. Until next time, guys, continue to be your most authentic self, and of course, guys, continue to stay naturally. Bye.
Welcome to Majesty.